Expand design, a roomy cabin, dual-tone interiors, 15 smart utility spaces and a large boot space, all there to expand your life. Welcome to Easy Space.
DMS Disanayake, the Director Registrar of the National Secretariat for Non-Governmental Organizations attached to the Ministry of Defence and Urban Development, issued a statement to all NGOs in the island.
The statement, bearing the signature of DMS Disanayake, dated 7th July 2014, issued to all NGOs, reads as follows. It has been revealed that certain non-governmental organizations conduct press conferences, workshops, training for journalists and dissemination of press releases, which is beyond their mandate. We reiterate that all non-governmental organizations should prevent from such unauthorized activities with immediate effect. During a media briefing held today, a journalist questioned Brigadier Wanika Surya, the director of the Media Center of the Ministry of Defence and Urban Development, on the matter.
This decision was taken in keeping with laws that were enacted to govern non-governmental organizations in 1980, 1998 and 1999. There are 1,416 non-governmental organizations operating in Sri Lanka. The director of the National Secretariat for Non-Governmental Organizations issued a statement yesterday urging NGOs to work under this framework. It is not an act to restrict freedom of speech or restrict their activities. This should be clearly understood.
Meanwhile, the Lawyers Collective issuing a media release says that the Ministry of Defence is acting beyond its mandate by trying to control the legitimate activities of non-governmental organizations. The media release by the convener of the Lawyers Collective, Attorney at Law J.C. Amuna, reads that the Ministry of Defence does not enjoy any specific legal authority under any statute whatsoever to control freedom of speech and association of citizens who act collectively through civil society organizations. It adds that it is clear from the press release issued by the ministry that the MOD has acted beyond its mandate. The media release goes on to say that all governments that respect democratic values respect the rights of citizens to engage in such lawful activities, and only authoritarian regimes prevent such democratic engagements. The Lawyers Collective adds that if the government of Sri Lanka is serious in preserving the democratic character of the country, it must respect its own constitutional freedoms such as freedom of expressions and association.